Welcome to in front of me Nokia G11 and I'll show you all the box accessories with which our device comes. So let's first open the box. Here we can see the quick start guide, the safety guide, the warranty card I think. Also we have here the SIM jack tool. On the we can find also here the just USB Type-C cable, and the last thing that is the just charger brick, the Nokia original one with all of the specs. So that's it. There are all of the box accessories with which our device comes. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.